Hello friends, my name is Vijay. Today I want to show you one of the strangest creature on earth. This creature can eat bones, yes, real bones, not chicken bones, not fish bones, giant whale bones. When I first learned about this, even I couldn't believe it because this creature has no mouth, no stomach and no anus. So the question is very simple, how can something eat bones without a mouth? Before I tell you the answer, put on your earphones and get ready because we are going deep, very deep. This strange worm is called Orthodax. Scientists also call it the zombie worm. Now look at this real photo on your screen. This is how Orthodax actually look in the nature. Orthodax live deep inside the ocean around 1000 to 4000 meters below the surface. Down there, no sunlight, very cold water and huge pressure. It is completely dark. Still, life exists there. Orthodax does not move around like normal animals. It appears only when something special happens. When a giant whale dies, its heavy body slowly sinks down to the ocean floor. This is called a whale fall. Look at this picture, whale skeleton on the seabed. When the whale skeleton reaches the seabed, something unbelievable happens. Orthodax arrives. Now listen carefully. Orthodax does not eat using a mouth. Instead, it grows root-like structure that go inside the whale bones. This image helps you clearly see how Orthodax settle on the bones. These roots drill into the bones and reach the fat and oil stored inside it. But here comes the most shocking part. Orthodax cannot digest food by itself. Inside its roots, it keeps special bacteria. This bacteria break down the bone fat and then the worm absorbs the nutrients. So basically, the bacteria eat the bones. Orthodax takes the energy. Teamwork in the darkest place on earth. Another disturbing fact, almost all Orthodax worms are female. The males are extremely small, very tiny, so tiny that they live inside the female's body for their entire life. So yes, scientists confirm this through real research. Nature is really strange. Scientists are very interested in Orthodax because it shows extreme evolution, it helps recycle nutrients in deep oceans, it's proof that life can survive anywhere, even in places where humans can never go. So next time you think the deep ocean is empty, remember this, a worm with no mouth, no stomach living in darkness, quietly eating the bones of dead whales. This is Orthodax, the zombie worm of the deep sea, and this is just one hidden secret of the ocean. There are many more waiting to be discovered.